Good morning, good morning, good morning. So today we are thrift store hopping and I'm probably gonna cook a good dinner later. So I got let me see. I got my mama with me today for the next few days, and then I got my grandma, she's up front. And we are gonna see what we can find at some thrift stores, maybe some plant stands. I don't know, who knows, but yeah, let's see what we find.
How you?
You got to put both feet on
And then just
and bounce.
Okay. You gotta have balance.
what's that, babe?
Put both feet on. Go ahead. Alright, put both feet on the bench. Bounce. Okay. Bounce. I'm about to let you go.
Like this.
No, we're not buying nothing.
What else is this?
I don't know.
Here,
Hold on.
Mom. Mom, come on.
Here.
What's the picture?
It's all the front view.
I need you to don't let me go.
Do me again.
Right.
Huh?
What a picture.
Hold on, I gotta take this off.
How much is it?
I don't know, it doesn't have a tag.
Don't say how much is it.
Okay, you guys. So I'm gonna go see how much this little thing is. I have to wait in line.
Just $5. You're kidding. What can it do?
Professional guitar player. Session ended.
Can you buy it for me?
$5?
Thank you. Thank you.
Get away from me.
Wow. Wow.
She's a nice woman, don't worry.
For real? The price is right here. $4.99.
Hot sauce and candy and stuff.
What is that?
These are wasabi peas.
I used to always love
Oh,
these.
these are these.
Jawbreakers.
These are these big old jawbreakers. Psychedelic.
Come on, you remember these? Runts?
I like them. I like the banana
Oh, I
ones.
like those.
It's hard to find a banana one individually.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
How many do you want? You want 2? What about Daddy? You want to get Daddy one? Okay, get one more.
Now, you want me to take it for you?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get him the big one.
Just get them all. Because I think you got to spend like $5. So that way,
Do a card.
use your card.
Those grapes really look fake.
You guys need any help today?
We're coming to grab the last of your mangoes.
Oh, right. You need more? I got some more.
No, I think 4 will be fine.
What is that?
Oranges and apples.
It's a price 3 for 1. So it's all of them. If I get 3, they're $1.
They're free for $1.
Oh, the honey sticks.
Ooh, my breath mints. Grab one.
Excuse me. She loves these right here. Oh, these 2, please.
I'll pay for it, baby. I'll pay for it.
You want me to pay for these 2?
I'll pay for all of it.
I don't need a bag full thing.
Together?
Okay. Thank you. Do you want my fries?
Do I want them?
Mom's fries.
Huh? I am.
Full.
Guys, don't talk about mom being cool. I'm the fullest.
Hold on. You're the what?
No, I'm not
I
going to
just
get
said
I'm
I
just
said.
Apex.
I said I'm the fullest.
All right.
Who you got an attitude with? Who you rolling your eyes at?
You.
Alright guys, here is the dresser that I got from my local thrift store. The dresser was $75. As you can see right now, it is green. It is missing some knobs. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to sand the entire top part to get rid of debris and scratches that is on the top. I'm going to go ahead and paint this dresser pink with this color here that Tiana picked out from Lowe's. And I'm going to go ahead and move it upstairs into her bedroom. I'm going to change the knobs. And this is the color pink. It actually came out very, very pretty. I was looking for something darker, but I let her pick out the color, and this is what we got. So I did about 3 coats. It took about 4 hours. I let it sit in the garage overnight, and the next morning it was ready to go. So here in this clip, you can see me using a screwdriver just to remove the knob, the handle that was on the front of the dresser. It was a little bit harder to get off, so I had to use a knife, and that made it pop right off. Tiana decided that she wanted to put in a little bit of work for her dresser, so she spent some time with me while everybody else was playing, just to go ahead and paint it and, you know, make sure she was active with how her dresser turned out. And she did a really good job. I did go over it just to make sure that it was even and fully coated, make sure she did not miss any spots. is a result of that color pink. I didn't have the knobs yet. They were coming from Amazon, but this is how the pink turned out. I think it turned out very, very well. After that, I ended up doing another coat just to make sure that it was fully coated and we could not see that green peeking through. And it turned out very, very well. Alright, so here we are. Finally got the knobs. They came in from Amazon. I just went ahead and I installed them. Very simple. Put the screw in the back, put the knob on the front, and screw it in. I decided to go with a diamond cut knob and a rose gold base, and actually it stood out very well on the dresser. So here is the final result of the green thrift store dresser with the missing knobs. It is now pink with diamond rose gold knobs. Tiana absolutely fell in love with this dresser. Before the end of the night, she was already putting her clothes in it. Like, she absolutely loves it. The knobs from Amazon completed the look, and it matches her princess bed, and it just completely sets the tone for the entire room. So as we come to the end of today's vlog, we're just going to have a really quick pit stop by Pelican's Snowballs. Dad, he's trying to watch his sugar intake, so he decided to stay home. He didn't go with us. I got Fruity Pebbles and vanilla Coca-Cola. The kids got gummy bears and whipped cream and stuff added to theirs. Jemiah, as you can see right here, she got some Nerds added to hers. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Go ahead and go down into the comments and let me know what your favorite part of today's vlog was. If there's anything else that you would like to see us vlog about, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure your notifications are turned on so that you can get notified when we upload another video. We'll talk to you guys later.